Bukod po sa naidudulot na pagkasira sa kalikasan, ang polusyon sa hangin ay peligroso rin sa ating kalusugan.
It may look like fun and games, but these children are playing in some of the most polluted waters in the Philippines. Once the social and economic heart of the nation's capital, the Pasig River is now biologically dead. Much of Manila's industrial waste ends up here, along with untreated sewage and rubbish of the millions living close by.
There have been people who have gone into this with an open wound and died, literally. Whoever planned the city years ago really saw the estero and the river as dumping grounds.
Nakamamangha ang ganda ng Caraga region sa Mindanao mula himpapawid. Bukod tangi ang bughaw ng dagat at ang luntian ng mga gubat at sakahan. Pero habang papalapit sa bayan ng Claver, Surigao del Norte, unti-unting uukit sa tanawin ang kulay paso ng binungkal na lupa. Dito kasi ang operasyon ng tabi-tabing minahan ng nikel. Sa 40 minahan sa buong bansa, 22 ang matatagpuan sa Caraga. Pinag-aaralan ngayon ng DENR ang epekto ng mga ito sa kapaligiran. Kitang-kita kasi kung paano tinatapes ang mga kabundukan para ipunin ng yamang mineral. Ang problema, umaagos sa ilog at karagatan ng binungkal na lupa o yung tinatawag na laterites. Natabunan na nga ng putik ang ilang bahagi ng dalampasigan. Ayon sa DENR, grabe ang pinsalang iniiwan nito sa kalikasan.
Because of the increase of certain gases such as carbon dioxide and polluted air, the Earth is experiencing global warming. We have to save our environment because it affects us all. The change is slow and gradual, but it is present. It is felt. So you see, change starts within ourselves. It doesn't take much to throw away our trashes in the right places, or conserve energy, or reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Let us work together to protect our planet from its possible total destruction. And remember to take good care of Mother Earth before it's too late. Mother Nature is for us, and we are for Mother Nature.
Mother Earth is a gift from God that we must take care of. So let us not take it for granted and start preserving it for the next generations to come.
Who else could we blame for the destruction of our home? No one else but us could fix this problem. I dare you to start saving.
We should understand that Mother Earth is not capable of regenerating on her own. So together, we stand as a nation. It's not too late to start saving.
And together, let's continue treating Mother Earth as our home, not to be taken for granted, but to be protected and preserved. Make a difference. Let's start saving.
They say prevention is better than the cure, so let's work hard in order to have a better future. So let's #StartSaving.